Hello, and welcome to Stones and Crystals 101. So, I'm going to be going through a grand array of stones and crystals and the meaning of each one. Today, we're going to start off with one of the most common stones. It's called the tiger's eye. The tiger's eye is found wherever you find crystals and stones. It's just really common. You can find it pretty much anywhere that you're going to find stones and crystals. As you look at it, it is brown, the different shades of brown, and it gets its name because of the familiarity of the tiger's eye. So that is why it has its name. The tiger's eye is associated with the root chakra and the sacral chakra, which are the first lower chakras. So what it is connected with is about strength and self-esteem, confidence. So it's a very strong stone that's going to bring you strength and help you stand up tall and basically defeat all your blockages, anything that's going to hold you back. So it is a goal-oriented stone, and it also is helpful to have a tiger's eye for safety. So it helps protect you and keep you strong and defeat any adversity. So it's a really good stone to have, and it's good to combine the tiger's eye with other stones. It can enhance other stones. So it's in a combination with other stones, usually on bracelets and jewelry. As you can see here, you can see my bracelet, and it does have the tiger's eye in combination with the other stones. This is a chakra bracelet. So it is associated here with the root chakra. So there you go. So I hope you will find benefit with your tiger's eye. They're very inexpensive. Like I said, found pretty much everywhere. Not everywhere, not at Walmart, but in a very a lot of variety of stores will have them. Any sort of metaphysical store, you can find the tiger's eye.